Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Ajinkya and today we have something to unbox. By the title you must have known what is the box content. So let's get started. So you must be seeing so much greenery around. That is because I am shooting this in my balcony. The reason behind it is lockdown चल रहा है और सब लोग घर पे है, so I don't have any other place to shoot. Let's start with the unboxing. So I went to Pune at Pro Bikers MG Road and they were kind enough to provide me the helmet as soon as possible. I got an amazing deal on this. I got 10% discount. So the pricing of the helmet I will discuss in end of the video, so stay tuned. And let's start with the unboxing. So I'll start with the box. So basically they have updated the box design also. So if you come closer, it is written designed to protect mthelmets.com. To the side, MT's website, MT's logo. Front and the back portion is almost the same. So coming to the side, we have the information of the helmet. So this is the helmet, that is Revenge 2. I have got the L size which fits perfect to me, and yeah. So on top of the box we have the MT logo and that's it. Let's start the unboxing. So I bought another MT Iridium. I didn't get the smoke visor. I don't know, it wasn't available with them. So I got this. This is also nice. And then we have the main helmet. Hello. And it's quite difficult to remove it. Coming to the front, we get an air vent over here. So this is the air vent, this is the switch. You get one extra switch also to lock this mechanism. And this helmet comes with a visor lock mechanism. Press this button and the visor pops out. You can open this later. This helmet doesn't get dual visor, the shades which comes inside, that one. It is sunglass friendly. You can put our sunglasses inside very easily. So you can wear your sunglasses which are very nice at UV protection and all. You can flaunt it also. Coming to the side, there's nothing on the side. I like the attention to detail. They have written MT helmets over here, MT logo, very nicely placed and looks very nice. So here it is written MT helmets, high impact resistant polymer. So the shell is made up of high impact resistant polymer. Coming to the rear side, so you see the spoiler over here. To the center there is MT logo and here are the certifications written. So it is EC and DOT certified. It is L size and required L size. The weight of the helmet is 1550 grams. It doesn't feel like 1550 grams, very lightweight. Other side is also same. Coming to the top, you get two air vents, one over here, and you get a super gloss finish over the top. MT helmet written over here, and there are vents over here and here, so the air can exit through it. And yes, so let's talk about the cushioning of the helmet. I like the cushioning very much. You get very good quality cushioning. So you get one reflector over here which reflects at night. You get one red color strip which looks very nice. This is the locking mechanism which is double D-ring. Previously it used to come with the ratchet, but recently they have updated it, so nice. I can use it on the track also. If you want to go on a track, you need a double D-ring visor, otherwise they do not allow it. I like the attention to detail. They have written empty helmets on the D-ring also, this empty thing. So cushioning inside is also nice. It's black and red in color. You get one empty logo. Again, attention to detail. One thing is remaining, to remove this film from the visor, which is very satisfying. But I am not gonna remove this film from the clear visor because I am not going to use it. I am going to use this iridium visor. So I'll fix this on the helmet and we'll remove the film. Very easy to remove. Very handy, very useful. Thing. Out with the clear visor, in with the tinted visor. This looks very amazing. It gives some stealth look to the helmet. So I'll wear this helmet and I'll show you. I'll need to get the gears first. I'll be back. This looks neat. While wearing the helmet, you need to hold the straps and stretch towards the shell so you can wear it easily. So it's perfect to my size. It doesn't move much. Let's lock the D-ring. This was my old LS2 helmet which was EC certified, and I had fixed one GoPro mount over here. And good thing about that helmet is this has some space where we can easily put one GoPro mount. Curb mount बैठ जाएगा यहाँ पे. So that is one main reason, that's why I have bought this Revenge 2. It has space to put the mount. I hope you guys enjoyed the shots. So let's talk about the pricing. So I went to Pro Biker and the base price of the helmet is 7,900 and this visor costed me around 1,100, so it becomes 9,000. And Pro Bikers helmets gave me 10% discount, so I got 790 rupees off on the helmet price. So I just paid 210 rupees more for the visor. The helmet totally costed me around 8,210 rupees. Bas. So I hope you guys found this video informative. Alright, that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for a detailed review of this helmet, and I hope you guys liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and until then, bye bye, see you later.